This video, I'm going to show you how to delete a story on your TikTok account. And what we're going to do is we're going over to our profile at the bottom right. And in here, we click on the story that we have in our profile at the moment in our account. How do you access this story? You basically click on your avatar. And as you can see, the gray rings around my avatar are indicating that I am having a story in my account or in my profile. So I'm going to click on my avatar. And as you can see, this is my story at the moment. And when I want to delete this, I basically click on the bottom right at the three dots. And in here at the bottom right, you see an option that's called delete. And we're basically going to click on delete. Now we can delete and re-edit. And we are going to click on delete. And when I refresh now, we see that there is no story at our account at the moment. And this way we have deleted our story on our TikTok account. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.